Dad, can I talk to you?
Of course, Laura. Tell me, is everything okay?
Today was strange, and I am really sad.
I can see that. Your eyes look tired, sweetie.
At school, my friends laughed, Dad.
Laughed?
Yes, they laughed. They did not play with me.
Oh, that hurts.
I felt alone. I felt small.
I'm sorry, Laura.
I felt ill all day. My head hurt. My stomach felt bad.
That is too much for one day.
Then English class came.
Uh-oh.
My teacher asked questions about simple past tense.
I see.
I froze. My mind went blank.
That happens, sweetie. It's okay.
She said, "Answer me."
And?
I said nothing. Friends laughed again.
That must feel bad.
Now I have homework, Dad. 20 sentences.
About simple past tense?
Yes, I don't understand it.
Laura, listen.
Yes, Dad?
You are safe here.
Okay.
We go slow, no rush.
Slow sounds good, Dad.
Simple past tense talks about the past.
Past?
Yes, things that already happened.
Like yesterday?
Exactly. Listen. Yesterday, I woke up late. I missed the bus.
Yesterday, I went to school.
Very good.
Dad, why do we need this tense?
Good question. We use it to tell stories. We use it to talk about yesterday.
About my life, Dad?
Yes, your life matters.
That feels nice, Dad.
Remember this easy formula, sweetie. Subject plus past verb.
Past verb?
Yes. Play, played. Walk, walked.
I played. I walked.
Perfect. Some verbs are special.
Special?
Yes. Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw.
I went home. I ate lunch.
Excellent. Tell me about yesterday.
Yesterday, I woke up late.
Good.
I went to school. I felt tired.
Keep going.
I listened in class. I wrote notes.
Very clear. Say it together.
Yesterday, I woke up late. I went to school. I studied English. I came home. I rested.
That is a story.
I didn't feel scared, Dad.
Because you understood, sweetie.
Dad, I still see the number 20.
20 is just a number, not a monster.
It feels like a monster.
Then let's make it friendly.
How, Dad?
One sentence at a time. No jumping, sweetie.
Okay.
Tell me more about yesterday.
Yesterday, I drank water.
Good. That's one.
I talked to my teacher.
Nice. Two.
I wrote notes.
3 already.
I ate lunch.
4. Still alive?
Yes. I felt sleepy. I felt cold. I felt tired.
Wow, you are flying now.
I came home. I rested. I watched videos.
Best sentences ever.
Wait, I think I passed 20.
You did, without crying.
That is a big win.
Now let's lock it in, sweetie.
Lock?
Yes, like closing a door, so fear cannot come back.
Okay, Dad.
Repeat after me, but with energy. Yesterday I learned.
Yesterday, I learned.
Yesterday I tried.
Yesterday, I tried.
Yesterday I did not give up.
Yesterday, I did not give up.
That sounded powerful.
It feels powerful.
That is confidence talking.
I like this part.
Me too. Final check. Ready?
Ready.
What is simple past tense?
It talks about the past.
When?
Yesterday. Before. Last night.
Formula?
Subject plus past verb.
Example.
I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to school.
Irregular verbs?
Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw.
Perfect, sweetie.
Wow, Dad, I remember everything.
Because you learned slowly, sweetie.
Dad, today was a long day.
Yes, it really was, sweetie.
In the morning, I felt confused. I felt weak. I felt scared of English.
I know, sweetie.
At school, my friends laughed. They did not play with me. I felt alone.
Oh, that hurts.
Then, English class started. My teacher asked questions. I stayed quiet.
You froze.
Yes, I froze. After school, I came home. I sat here. I talked to you.
And that helped?
Yes, Dad, it helped a lot. We opened my notebook. We read the homework. We talked slowly.
We practiced.
I learned simple past tense. I learned past verbs.
You learned well, sweetie.
I wrote sentences. I made mistakes. I tried again.
That was learning.
I wrote 20 sentences. I used the past tense. I finished my homework.
You did all of that.
I closed my notebook. I stretched my arms. I smiled.
I noticed that smile, Laura.
I felt proud. I felt calm. I felt strong.
Because you practiced, sweetie.
English scared me before, but today I understood it.
That is a big change, my little champion.
Today, I learned English. I learned patience. I learned confidence.
You learned more than grammar.
Yesterday was hard, but today I grew.
You surely did, sweetie.
I believed in myself. I did not give up.
And that matters most.
Thank you, Dad. You helped me. You listened to me.
Always, my little champion.
Yes, Dad. I learned the simple past tense.
And you used it perfectly.
Good night, Dad.
Good night, my little rock star.